Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making truffles, and I think this is the perfect thing for Valentine's Day, which is right around the corner. Now these truffles, I'm going to be using cacao nibs, and cacao has a ton of benefits. It's a superfood, it has antioxidants, it's high in fiber, potassium, magnesium, and iron. So this is going to give great nutrient value to these truffles, not only to being delicious, they're going to be good for you. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is I have 1 cup of raw cashews. They're unsalted, and I'm going to grind these up into my food processor, kind of make them into a kind of a flour. So let's do that first. Okay, we're going to add this to our bowl here. Now we'll add in our spices. I have a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So we'll add that in. Get that all mixed together. And now we're going to grind up our cacao nibs. So that goes into the food processor. So I've added the cacao nibs into my other dry mixture, and I ended up putting it in my Vitamix because it was taking too long in the food processor. It's doable in the food processor, but I'm impatient, so I just threw it in my Vitamix and then it was done a lot faster. But so you can do it either method. So now you just want to break up any clumps that may have formed during the mixing process, and we'll have one last ingredient. So we've mixed everything together here, and now we're going to add a 1/3 cup of date syrup. This is the brand I love, it's Date Lady. I'll leave her information in the description box so you can order your own. But this is great. So these are not only high in antioxidants, but it's sugar-free. So we're going to mix this all together. And this will add the perfect amount of sweetness for these truffles. So let's mix this all up and start scooping up our truffles. So you're just going to keep stirring until everything is combined and you've got your like cookie dough almost. So it could take a minute. Use your muscles. Okay, I've got my little ice cream scoop here, or cookie dough scoop, and we're going to scoop this out. And come on out. I'm just going to roll them in little balls. And then I'm going to dust them with, I did 2 tablespoons of cinnamon and 2 tablespoons of the ground cacao. I just ground up some more cacao nibs to make a powder. And then we'll just put those, we'll lightly dust them in this. And they're done. I'm just going to continue scooping up all my truffles here, and then we'll be ready to taste. Look at this. I thought it'd be fun to serve it in a martini glass. Isn't that cute? Your special someone will just love these. So let's give it a taste. Now remember, there's cashews, there's cacao nibs, there's date syrup, all good for you. Alrighty, here we go. These look yummy. Oh my God. Mmm. So rich. Oh, these are amazing. This will be a hit for sure. And so easy. Just a few ingredients, some spices, and so chocolatey. Sweet, but not too sweet. You know, just a hint of that chili powder. They really came out good. So give this one a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, thank you.